So guys, this is the thing you get inside the box. You get the mic. So this is the mic, and here is the dead cat, Boya BYMM1. You get a shockproof mount. You get the cable for the DSLR. I think this is for the mobile phone. This is for the pastes. Wow, this is a nice bag. Okay guys, now let's set it up on my camera. Go here. Here. Now you need to tight this screw. Now what I'll do, I'll check the camera if it is working or not, and then I will give you a comparison of the footage that comes with the mic and without the mic. So guys, I have set up the camera with the mic. This is the audio from the mic. I'm not sure if it is working or not. I deliberately switched on the fan so I can understand the difference between the with mic or without mic footage. Mic check, 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. This is the sound you are hearing from the mic, Boya MM1. And now let's see what it sounds without the mic. So guys, now I have removed the mic, and what you are hearing right now is without mic. And please tell me in the comment what is the difference between with mic and without mic. आप जब ब्लॉगिंग करते हो ना, तभी माइक का ज़रूरत बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, क्योंकि आप हमेशा घर के अंदर ब्लॉगिंग नहीं करते हो. ब्लॉगिंग करने के लिए आपको बाहर जाना ही पड़ता है. तो इसीलिए अगर आप बाहर ब्लॉगिंग करोगे विदाउट माइक, तो बाकी सारे जो नॉइज़ होते हैं वो सब चले आते हैं वीडियो के अंदर. वो आप नहीं चाह रहे, वो कोई ब्लॉगर नहीं चाहता है ना. अभी आपने जो भी सुना है वो विदाउट माइक रिकॉर्ड हो रहा था. तो अभी आप बताओ डिफरेंस क्या है. ये माइक के साथ रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. तो अभी आपको लगता है ना जो मैंने बोला वो सही है ना. ठोको लाइक, वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो, अपने भाई को मज़ा आएगा. तो इसीलिए एक माइक बहुत ज़रूरी है. मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो ब्लॉगिंग एंड यू डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, देन दिस बोया MM1 mic, I will put the link in the description for your help. So this mic is a great choice for the beginners. So chalo guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you are new to the channel, तो subscribe तो ज़रूर करना, क्योंकि आपके सपोर्ट के बिना हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. Okay, chalo, see you on the next vlog and check it out my other videos also. I hope you will like it, but there is a little catch. Some of my videos are in Bengali, so I was experimenting, so pardon me for that. And the vlogs from now on will be in the English and Hindi, so it will be easy for you to understand. Just only watching the videos doesn't make sense without a proper understanding between you and me. So I think this will help a lot, and I was just getting the feedbacks from you also, so I got what I needed. So I will make videos from now on in English and Hindi. Okay, so guys, stay tuned and love you all. Chalo, take care.